Okay, this is the dashboard for the BMW E63 and E64 6 Series. If you do have this vehicle, you'll probably recognise this dashboard. You might not be so sure about what any of these dashboard warning lights mean. Well, that's what this video is for. Basically just to give you a short indication of what the light might mean. Even after reading this, you probably still won't be so sure. We would advise you to click the link directly below this video, and it will take you to a page which will give you a lot of more information about what the dashboard lights mean, why they're on there in the first place, how you can turn them off, and gives you options of code readers which are available. So click the link directly below this video. You'll get more information regarding these dashboard lights. It'll tell you why they're on in the first place and how you can turn them off.